Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka Dr. Amperi Lingdo kabla penyeso ilade baka National People's Party tang hapo kintiat kenta bala resign no na ka jinglong MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency kala ong baki patba ki dai pan khangkherdep ya ki party nong way ki bawan penkulmar ya ka jingmot jing perkhat bat pan Pdiang ya ka NPP kum ka party jong ka Jalame Khalia Khnang ban Khanglad ya ka jingsha senchar hagi party na Rithor ya ka Dr. Amperi Lingdo bat yoba Mohendro Rapsang la Pdiang burom syaka National People's Party ha jingalang belalong Hamadan yorang camp ha ka balasa hilang da National President Konrad Kongkel Sangma National Vice President ba Preston Tensong State President ke NPP Dr. WR Kharlukhi ki MLA jong ka NPP bat kiwe de kinoelam ki bahakmat.
I request our Chief Minister to kindly hand over to Mohendro Rapsang. Big hand again, one more.
National President NPP Shri Konrad K. Sangma, National Vice President Shri Preston Tensong, President State Unit and MP Rajya Sabha Dr. WR Kharlukhi, my colleague Dr. Mazil Amperi Lingdo, and all the MDCs, MLA aspirants who are here with me today for this important function. My supporter, भाया बहनों महले लो, बहुत धन्यवाद। अब लोग टाइम छोड़ के एक डेट अब लोग आया और हमको बहुत विश्वास दिया अब लोग सब। Thank you very much. Thank you. I've been as an MLA almost 5 years, but today I resign as an MLA for a very good cause. I resign today as an MLA because I am going to join a new party. And now I'm in a new party that is the National People's Party. I'm very happy to be in this party because my supporter supported me, they trusted me, and they told me, sir, go and join any party, but join a like-minded party, a party who can really take the people, who can really take the state to the top. I've seen with the leadership of our beloved Chief Minister, I'm sure he will take a state to the top 10 in the country. That's why I joined this party. We have seen many programs. We have seen many programs the state government has come up. For whom? This program has come up for the beloved people of our state. That's why I'm confident, but I'm sure that I'm also in this party because of the development of the state and the upliftment of the people of a state as a whole. That's why I'm joining this party, and I'm so happy that all my supporters are there with me. They have full support to me. Thank you very much for all of them. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों को सब। हमको इतना विश्वास है आप लोग full support कर मेरे को और ये 2023 I'm 100% I'll come back as an MLA with your support. I thank the supporter of East Shillong also, who has been together with us. Thank you very much. We are sure that this seat also, NPP will come from this constituency. You will see the sea change in Shillong City this time. We will get all the Shillong City seats. NPP wave will be there this time in this Shillong City. Long live NPP! Thank you.
I don't have a very good voice, but I'll try to sing this very meaningful song for you. time. Just a few people that made this possible for me. Dear Sir Conrad, the Honorable Chief Minister of the Government of Meghalaya, thank you for calling me to join the NPP. 16 East Shillong will partner together with the NPP. We shall not fear. We have no unforeseen fears because I am confident that at this point of time, I am very happily going to the NPP. We will talk about all the issues that are there in the state. I know some people will wonder, why is she going to the NPP? Let me respond by saying, my gut tells me, go to the NPP. Will you follow me? I want to thank Bob Preston, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Meghalaya. Sir Preston, we look up to you. The people of 16 East Shillong will not make fun of you. We are aware of your capability and we stand united behind Bob Preston. Yes? Thank you so much, my colleague Ba Ngau Bhalang. Sir, NPP is lucky to have a billionaire like you. Correct? So many people in the state of Meghalaya need leaders who will not steal their money. Correct? It does not matter. Some people make issues out of rich candidates, but I tell you, the people of 16 East Shillong, I'd rather be working closely with a candidate who will not disappear with the people's funds and rights. Correct? Thank you to the President, Bakhar Lukhi. He stays in my constituency. He's my voter. This time, I am assured that he will vote for me, right? I also want to thank Badon and the team. I want to thank Balamprang. I want to thank people from my own Apex team. Thank you, my beloved Apex team members. I cannot name you one by one, but I know that there is one man whom we must thank, and that is Ba James. Thank you so much, Ba James. My husband, who is the MDC. Let's say thank you to Bob Fenton for all that he does for us. Come on, a loud applause. भाइयों और बहनों, आज ये समय में मैं आपको ज्यादा बात नहीं करना चाहता है, क्योंकि मैं हर कॉर्नर में अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के अंदर आप लोग के साथ मुलाकात कर लिया, आपके घर में आया है, और पता क्या, शायद कोई और कैंडिडेट नहीं होगा जो आप लोग को इतने आसपास से पहचानते हैं, नाम से मैं आपको बुलाते हैं, और कहाँ रहते भी मैं पता है। आप डरना मत, एनपीपी एक बड़ा पार्टी है जो हम लोग को सब एक साथ एक कट्ठा में वन मेघालय बनाना चाहता है। मैं आपको इतने वादा करते हैं कि अगर कोई ये गड़बड़ करना चाहता है, मैं उसको मौका कभी नहीं दे देगा। हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में एक शांति, एक चाप, पूरा इंडियंस आगे भरा करेगा। सही है कि नहीं? Dear friends, mapi ki paralok jong nga kibawan nagi kendong ki construct si hajar ngo papiawan siya kani kasngi si naya pisaru nga klempelot ban khot ya pi siya kani kamadan nrekat ne pi pen i ya kajing e ki jong pi siya nga ngam don dakaway pat ka kentien tang ban ong ya pi si hajar ngo ya kajing e jong pi ya nga ban ngat ngan sa penpai syapi da kejo kejing in ngam don spa ngam don hajar bangan ai pi tang batikna kawai ke bangan ai pi ke longba ngan ai pi kejing trei sitom kapanadu kamensim ban ngan yale kat bala ban don nakabenta jong pi hakabapor bapi don kam yanga kane kam dei kapor yangi bangin ya kren ya ke politics ngalakan doya pi hakiying kisem ki jong pi san hajar news pak kali ki yeng ngalayo kejat bangan shim ya ka jingker khu kerda jong pi bangan ya le ya ka ke election nget yang wat ting ya ka NPP ladang iting ya ka NPP kabon ngiting ya ka parti jong ka jela la jong ngidai ban khang kerdop ya ki jingkang jongi nakitoki parti nongway kibawan ban pentame sipor ban wan ban pen klumar jingmot jing perkhat yangi ka NPP kedai ka parti jong ka jela jong pi jong nga lada hau si hajar nyong kenai spa nyau puar kene ka jela ka jongi la ai hangi da ka parti na ka jela la jong ai lat ya ka NPP bahkan peni biang yangi ya kata ka jingteli ngakhat na ya wer ya ki nong ya lam baro to ngin ya yang kawai ngin ai kawai ke jela kawai ke jubab khnang banginum sha ban sho hakis nen ki banwan daki taki parti bar jela tang dakini ki kentin si hajar ngo wat pat ya le ngin ya ngap katu kani ka music hadin kani ka program si hajar ngo ublai unkur khu ya pi mentangan perta pi bot yang vote for shan ya kashap hakadur jongka shan ya kashap hakadur jongka.
I could see all your faces smiling, and now our job started. Fight starts from tonight, and I'm very sure we will come back victorious. Our Honorable National President and Chief Minister, Shri Khanglad Sangma, Mr. S. Dahar, my colleague, Dr. Kharlukhi, Kong Amprin, Ba Rapsang, Ba Lamare. We are here this evening because of these three personalities joining the family of NPP. You know, friends, quite a number of days and months we discussed about the political situation that we have here in our state. And not only that, Kong Amprin, Ba Rapsang, and other respected MLAs, we used to share the ideas, we used to discuss the issues, how to serve better for the interest of the state as a whole. So ultimately, all these three great leaders made up their mind and joined the family NPP. Let me just tell you one thing. These two elected members, two great leaders, they will take a lead in the entire Shillong city for capturing all the seats, as rightly mentioned by Dr. Kharluki. We should come out flying color. I would like to remind all of us here, the only party who got absolute majority in the history of Meghalaya happens in the year 1972, where the APHLC that time got 32 seats out of 60. Then when you count from 1972 till today, we have completed 50 years. I think we will again create a record of 50th year of our statehood, that we should get the majority in the name of our party NPP. Let us go back from here. We will break a record. We have to break a record. Whatever, however, or by hook or by crook. Kiperlok baik, yadon hakade kejanmit, ban Pdiang burom, ya kini kinong yalam bapau kmat, jong kejela kejongi, ikong amprin, iba rapsang, iba lamari. Nangis kem kajing wan jong kine ki leaders Syaka parti kejongi kasor Shillong bat kumju ka East Jantia Hills kan kenyu di klau kin kiwin bat kam tame ki nong tebut ha Shillong City barok away menta ka ganti kin ong day tan kanika parti kabala ban ai ka jing sakri ka babahatam ya ka jela Meghalaya iperlok matrai bilayo i lasdang ke jing kawang mau daki wei pat ki parti persya ya ka NPP don ki badu mensim don ki baperkhat ngis ngok septing ngis mek banjon ja ka NPP retang kowe ngong ye pi habang isya len tem mau kabamut ba uding uba seiso uding uba don uso uba tiang na katakadaw ki parti lai project lai project ki keno ki kenta ki kren kat bamon dengan kermen scam da kijing don jo kiti kirangba ikong amprin Maria John bangi mentaka janmit na kaliang ka parti Ngilayo i ya kijing don kam jongi ya ka service jongi. Ngilayo i bang ila declare ngila tunggo ya i ba inlong ka spokesperson jom ka parti hangne hapo Meghalaya. Nagarpat ya ki media ki press nangne syakmat ngauha ya kendu ya Dr. Amprin in IAP ya kejimbam ke Pdiang ke Malaysia jago.
Every one of you also to the family of the National People's Party. Let's give each other a round of applause as a sign of welcome to the National People's Party. I said that this is a historic day. And the reason I say this is because you have to see the faces of the individuals who are sitting here on the dais today. And if you see, there is a connection from a very long time between the people who are sitting out here on the stage. It was almost as if we were always meant to be together. It's almost as if we have been together in the past. Whether it is a generation before us, when late P.A. Sangma, late Peter Marbanyang, even our other senior leaders who are present here on the dais, worked shoulder to shoulder, worked together to take this beautiful state of ours forward. And here we are today, one whole circle round, back again, to be here together, to continue the work that these great leaders had started, and to take forward and take it to the logical conclusion. It's like it was meant to be. And that's why there's a sense of happiness and satisfaction today, not only in the hearts and minds of the leaders, but of each and every member of East Shillong, of West Shillong, and also of Narpu area, where people are seeing hope. People are seeing that there is a vision. People are seeing that yes, maybe it is possible that one day this state of ours will touch great heights. Maybe it is possible that after 50 years again, there will be a political party that will get single majority in the assembly. It is possible. And it is this hope and this possibility that has brought each and every one of us together out here. In the last 5 years, we faced numerous challenges. I don't even have to count them. They are countless. And challenges which some of them the world has never seen before. And yet we kept going. There was a sense of purpose in our minds. Every time Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha, Masnyoba Langdhar, and the rest of us, every time we used to sit down and discuss, when these challenges came in front, there was only one thing that guided us, one thing only, and that is the people of our state. We resolved every time that anything and everything we do will be for the people of our state. The interest of the people of our state is paramount to us, and nothing else comes even close to that. And that purpose is what drove us to ensure that sometimes tough decisions were taken. Sometimes we also decided that we need to listen to the will of the people. We decided to talk to the people, communicate with them, but always keeping the interests of the people in mind. It's that passion with which we worked, that in the last 5 years, the number or the amount or the kilometer of roads that have been constructed is far beyond the roads constructed in the last 20 years of our state. In the last 5 years, we have been able to give more water supply scheme to different parts of the state than compared to the last 50 years of our statehood. We have been able to save lives of mothers and children like never before, where mothers used to lose their lives while giving birth and bringing life into this world. We made sure, we made the effort to ensure that we tried to bring it down. In the last 2.5 years, the GDP of the state has crossed 8%, the highest ever, and higher than most of the states in the country. In the last 10 years, of course, our average GDP has been low. But that's because in the first 5 years, we had negative growth. But in the in the first 5 years, that is 2011 to 2016. But after that, consequent years, and last year, as I said, we touched almost an 8.5% growth in our GDP. And that's the kind of work that we are doing. In the government spending, we have gone up from 9,000 crores. Today, spending close to 18,000 crores in our annual budget, almost doubling the actual expenditure that is done in the budget. And that is why we are seeing the kind of changes that we are seeing. And I'm not saying that it's enough. Absolutely not. And I'm not saying that we have done everything. There is a lot to be done. But this is where we all come together. We can only make it possible if we are a team. We can only make it possible if we hold our hands together and say we will work as a team to take our state forward. And that is why today, the dignitaries you're seeing on the dais, the kind of leaders who have joined the political party, our political party, the National People's Party, joined the family. They have joined with this hope, with this dream, with this vision, that yes, we will make it one day. We will be able to resolve the big issues that were never possible before. It was this NPP-led government that took up the border issue. Not an easy task. You ask any political leader, they will tell you that the last thing they would want to touch is the border issue. But we put it in our manifesto that we will work towards resolving the border issue. And I'm happy to tell you, and you all know it, that we have moved in a positive way for the first time in that direction. Not easy, not perfect, it'll never be. But it is the best possible way forward, and it must be done. 50 years gone, we cannot continue to not have borders in our state. 50 years gone, we cannot allow the people in the border areas to suffer. Friends, we will do it together. You and us and each and every person on this field today, we will work unitedly to ensure that all these issues that are there, that are pending for the last 50 years, we will work as a team to ensure that we resolve this issue. It gives me immense pleasure and immense happiness that today people like Kong Amprin are here. I used to watch Kong Amprin speak. I used to watch all our leaders. And I used to say, these are the kind of leaders that we need for our state. Even though they were opposition at one point, but I used to look up to them. In my heart, I used to think, we need this kind of commitment. We need this kind of quality. We need this kind of people who are capable, who are experienced. And look today, this historic day, when leaders like Balang, Malamare, Kong Amprin, people with so much of love for their own people, so much of commitment, true leaders today are joining the National People's Party's family. We are extremely happy, and once again Kong, once again Balang, Lamare, I take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party.